Hello everyone, very good day. Today we are going to look into permanent string problems. So how do we permutate the strings? A permutation is a combination of all the characters and possible group of characters or strings in an arrangement. Let us see in the example, if you have a string CD, it could be of CD or DC. If you see the string ABB, it could be of the combination of this ABB, BAB, BBA, BAB. So how it works is a factorial concept. What is 2 factorial? It is 2 into 1, which is 2. There should be 2 permutation. What this is 3 characters, ABB. It is 3 factorial. And the permutation would be like 3 factorial, which is 3 into 2 into 1. 3 twos are 6, 6 into 1, 1. So there would be 6 combination of the output strings. So this is the permutation of strings. There are different ways to compute this permutation of strings. Let us see the implementation right now. So I have created a permutation string class. I have created permutation all strings method, and I have a swap string. Let me come back to it. And I have created public static void main with the input string ABC, and I have a result. So whatever the resultant combination should be stored here after each computation. So I created an object for this class and then call this permutate all strings, and then finally I'm printing the result. So let's deep dive into the coding part. So permutate all string takes string as input, and L is a minimum, which is 0 index, and R is a maximum index, and the result where we are showing the result. So first we will do the base case. So if string dot length is equal to 0, then return result. So result will be of empty. We'll just put return. So as it is void, we'll not be able to return it. So we'll be populating the result array list. Now what we'll do is we'll do a for loop. What it basically does is it takes L as an input and I is less than R, and then I plus plus. Now what happens here is we have to swap a string. So what we will do is we will swap a string, and then what we will do is we will recursive, which takes the input of string, which takes a L plus 1, which takes R, which takes a result, and then swap string of character str. Yeah. So this is the logic. Basically, we are swapping twice and calling this recursive function again. So here we will swap the string. We will create a temporary variable, and then we'll do character array. Temp of I equal to temp string of I equal to so temp string of j and then temp string of j equal to temp. Now we will return this. So let's run this and see what happens. Here we are getting array index of bound at line number 28. Let's see. We will change this to I. Now run again. Yeah, we don't have any errors, but we do not have the desired result. Let's see. We will store the swapped string. Yeah, so we did not, the problem is we did not add the result to the list we have. Yeah, let's run and see what will be the output. So it is printing as objects right now. Let's see what it prints now. Yeah, so we have given ABC as input and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 permutations, which is of 3 factorial, which is 6. So this is as expected. And yeah, what will be the time complexity? Time complexity will be order of n into n factorial, where n is the number of characters and space will be also order of n factorial, because we are storing, because we are storing all these permutations here. So if we have a string, then we will store the factorial string. So it is n factorial, the space complexity, and the time complexity out of n into n factorial. Thank you all for watching this video, and we'll meet in such similar video in the next session. Thank you all.